Hello, my name is Emma.
Today, you will hear slow and clear speak English Emma's story. Let's start.
Mark, I have a problem.
Oh, what is the problem, Emma?
I want to order coffee, but I don't know how to order in English.
Oh, I see. Don't worry, Emma. I can help you.
Really? Thank you, Mark. I feel nervous.
It's okay. Ordering coffee is easy. I will teach you.
Okay, what do I say first?
First, you wait in line. Then, you go to the counter.
I go to the counter. Okay.
Yes, then you say hello to the barista.
The barista.
Yes, the barista is the person who makes coffee.
Oh, I understand. The barista makes coffee.
That's right. So you say hello. You can say hello or hi.
Hello or hi. Okay, that's easy.
Yes, very easy. Then the barista will ask you a question.
What question?
The barista will say, "What can I get for you?" Or, "What would you like?"
What can I get for you? Or, what would you like?
Yes, exactly. These questions mean the same thing.
Okay, and then? What do I say?
Then you say what you want. For example, you can say, "I would like a coffee, please."
I would like a coffee, please.
Perfect, Emma. Very good.
But Mark, there are many types of coffee. How do I choose?
Good question. You can say the type of coffee you want.
What types are there?
There is a latte. There is a cappuccino. There is an Americano. And there is a regular coffee.
Latte, cappuccino, Americano, regular coffee. So many types.
Yes, but don't worry. You can choose any type you like.
I like coffee with milk. Which one has milk?
A latte has a lot of milk. A cappuccino also has milk. Both are good.
Okay, I think I want a latte.
Great choice. So you say, "I would like a latte, please."
I would like a latte, please.
Excellent, Emma. You're doing very well.
Thank you, Mark. What happens next?
Next, the barista will ask you about the size.
The size?
Yes, the size means small, medium, or large.
Oh, I see. Small, medium, or large.
That's right. The barista will ask, "What size would you like?"
What size would you like?
Yes, and you can say, "Small, please," or "Medium, please," or "Large, please."
I want a medium size.
Okay, so you say, "Medium, please."
Medium, please. That's easy.
Yes, very easy. You are learning fast, Emma.
Thank you. Is there anything else?
Sometimes the barista asks other questions.
What other questions?
The barista might ask, "For here or to go?"
For here or to go? What does that mean?
For here means you drink the coffee inside the coffee shop. To go means you take the coffee with you.
Oh, I understand. For here is inside. To go is outside.
Exactly. So, do you want to drink here or take it with you?
I want to drink here. I want to sit with you.
Okay, so you say, "For here, please."
For here, please.
Perfect. And one more thing, Emma.
What is it?
The barista will tell you the price. Then you pay.
Okay, I pay with my card.
That's fine. After you pay, the barista will say, "Thank you."
And what do I say?
You can say, "Thank you" or "Thanks."
Thank you, or thanks. Okay.
And that's it. That's how you order coffee in English.
Wow, Mark. Thank you so much. You are a great teacher.
You're welcome, Emma. Now let's practice one more time.
Okay, let's practice.
I will be the barista. You are the customer.
Okay, I am ready.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Hello, I would like a latte, please.
Sure, what size would you like?
Medium, please.
Okay, for here or to go?
For here, please.
Great, that will be $4, please.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Excellent, Emma. You did it perfectly.
Really? Did I do it right?
Yes, you did. You are ready to order now.
I feel more confident now. Thank you, Mark.
You're welcome. Now let's go order for real.
Hello. What can I get for you today?
Hello, I would like a latte, please.
Of course. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Okay, for here or to go?
For here, please.
Perfect. And what is your name?
My name is Emma.
Great, Emma. That will be $4.50, please.
Here you go.
Thank you, Emma. Your latte will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you. Mark, I did it. I ordered coffee in English.
Yes, you did, Emma. I am proud of you.
I was nervous, but it was easy, just like you said.
See? You just needed a little practice.
Thank you so much for helping me, Mark. You are a wonderful boyfriend.
You're welcome, Emma. I am happy to help.
Now I can order coffee anytime I want.
Yes, you can. And you can order other things too, the same way.
Really? Like what?
Like tea, or juice, or food. It's all the same.
That's great. I will practice more.
That's the spirit, Emma.
Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice. See you in the next story. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself.